Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check unusual jobs. I think that you will know the meaning of each word, but let's practice. Repeat after me each word. Architect. 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 Artist. 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 Carpenter. 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 Designer. 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 Engineer. 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 Gardener. 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 Imagineer. 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 Taster. 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 Video game taster. Videogametaster. Video game taster. Writer. 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 Remember to elect the words by paying attention to the pictures. Repeat the video as many times as necessary for better understanding. Remember, guys, that if you have any question, any doubt, with pleasure I will clarify it. Repeat the video, I insist, so you can practice more often. Thank you.